Good evening. This video will be about creating relationships through Access. So I clicked on Access, created a new database. I went to Home, Create, Start by a Table. So Table 1 I'm going to rename. Sorry, let's close this one. Table 1. ID, I start inputting information. You first click on that. New. So it's name. Okay. Short text. Name. 1. ID is 2. Last. Over here would be first. Over here I would put the information, and along these tabs I would just identify the categories I'm trying to create the table with. Once I'm done, I would file, save. So I'm saving the table as names of participants. Then I would continue creating another table. And file, I would start by inputting all the data once again and creating the table and saving it here. Once I have all my tables, I go into query design and I start pulling out the 2 tables I've created, and I start identifying different fields, tables, sorts, and things like that to start creating the relationships. Once I finish the query, I file, save as, participant. I close this one, I close it, and I start again by creating another query. Add. If I wanted to identify number of names of participants in all fields, I would just continuously add, close that, save, and participant 1. I would just keep creating different query types to start creating and working on different relationships. Once I have that, I can either input data from Access or Excel, or even a text file, put it in to create the table. In addition, I can also create forms, a form design for each of the participants. Once I have all my information, I could go into my query designs, and then I could start creating relationships out of the different query designs that I have inputted. I could run the report once I'm done to see if it looks good. Once I'm done inputting all my data, I save as, Access database, and I'm done. In order to create my smart R-gram, what I did was I went into Word 2013, clicked on blank document, and I inserted Smart Art, and I went into relationships and I picked which one I wanted to use.